Alright guys, about to go swimming. Just kidding. Yeah, I'm about to paint the hood of my IS. It's really the only pre-existing like damage from my car accident. So I bonded over, got nice and smooth, just sanded it down with 800 grit, 1500 grit, and then 2000 grit. And then hit it with some rubbing alcohol and a tack cloth. And yeah, it's not gonna be perfect. I mean, I have a little like rust hole here and whatnot. I'm not really going for perfection. You know, obviously it looks like shit right now, so, you know. Kind of humid today. I learned painting my Supra, I really don't want to paint the humidity, so I'm going to bring it in there. It's air conditioned, nice dry air. Probably do 3 coats of base. Wait until it flashes, like 10 minutes between coats maybe, and then wait like an hour or 2 in there for it to completely dry, and then do the clear coat. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, got the base on. Looks pretty nice. Matches very nicely. About to do some clear. I'm gonna bring it inside for it to dry for like an hour or so. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Show you guys a little representation of my life. I got a fucking bug in my clear coat. So yeah, that's pretty much my life. But yeah, maybe the bug will stand out. Bug is now part of the car. Looks pretty good though so far.
It's like dry.
Matches.
I think it's fine.
So, yeah. When you have a big wang, everyone fucking revs at you. Just had some kid in a stock G35 rev at us. No hate, I like G35s, I'm just saying. You know, like, you wouldn't expect it. Like, maybe if the G35 had a big wing too, like, I'd be like, oh, he revved us, but some kid in a G35 is revving at us just because of the big wang, you know? Yeah. Miata. Here we go. Wait. What the? To Jay-Z. Yeah.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
I'll tell you.
When I
What is?
Oh yeah. It's not bad. A little bit of a line. Alright guys, so here's the final result of the paint job. Got a little mark here, kind of see it going along. What I did was I taped it off and kind of blended it, wet sanded it, buffed it. Overall, it came out really good though. I mean, I'm happy with it. I mean, not bad, you know? Paint definitely matched. Like I said, there's just a little, I don't know if you can make it out on the camera. Yeah, there's just a little line right here I'm sure I could blend that better if I put more time into it, but yeah, I'm happy with the results. I think it came out good. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Gonna be doing a lot more is300 videos. Yeah.